Hey yummies, welcome back to my channel. What are you guys making for dinner this Sunday? Today we're making pan-seared codfish topped with crispy ginger and scallions. So as you see, we have all the seasonings lined up. We've got some fresh thawed out codfish. We chopped it up into chunks and we seasoned it up. Then we're going to take that seasoned codfish and cook it in some butter with the sliced up fresh ginger pieces until golden brown, as you see here in the pan. This is super easy. Oh my goodness. And let me tell you, it is so delicious. It's so tasty. You might think, crispy ginger slices. I don't know about that. But when you cook them in the butter and crisp them up, it gives you just enough of a tang, of a spice, of a zing to add that extra depth of flavor on top of your fish. And look at this. Ooh. So then I put that fish on top of some brown rice and some steamed broccoli. You know me, y'all. I make some brown rice and some steamed broccoli. That's like my go-to. Look how delicious this is. Oh my gosh. It was so good and so easy. You need to make this for Sunday dinner. Make this for your next Sunday dinner. All right, you guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share this content, save it, and let me know what you're cooking for Sunday dinner. Peace and blessings and yummy dishes in your yummy lifestyle.